David Norman, Discover Battery. We're just outside Redding, California with Jason Andrade, West Coast Sustainables. We finished this installation you see behind us, doing a lithium battery replacement for some lead acid. Jason, I just wanted to hit on a couple points here with you and talk about, the transition you're seeing, and you're obviously it's showing in your jobs, transitioning from historical, traditional flat plate lead acid to advanced batteries.
Mm-hmm.
What are the key features of the batteries that you see that make them sellable for you? And also that as a person who lives off grid, do you see the benefit in that you can actually stand behind and say, no, I think you'll see this impact from that change?
Well, I think there's a few really. I mean, first off, to start with, we have safety. These were very safe to install because the ability with the BMS to turn off the power output of them, they're very safe. The other is simplicity. These don't require the maintenance that the standard flat plates would. So they're very easy for a family to live off of not having to go clean terminals, not have to water batteries.
Partial state of charge, not
Yeah.
worry about whether.
So I mean, all in all, it lets you live a little more carefree lifestyle with this type of technology. The other thing is also going through like extended seasonal changes. If you don't quite have enough solar or you don't want to run your generator a lot, it allows you to reduce those input feeds and not have to worry about damaging your batteries by partial state of charge. So it just gives you a more carefree off-grid living and I would say a simpler energy plan.
A lot of people talk, and the key point is, lithium is more expensive than traditional lead or what have you. In terms of ROI, and again, looking at it as a person who's going to be living off grid in their home,
Mm-hmm.
well, what do you say to those people when they bring up that argument?
I just say it's a difference of long-term versus short-term investment. With these batteries, with the lifespan of them, there is a cheaper ROI. Like you're gonna get more out of it in the long term, but not everybody has that money to invest in upfront. I prefer to look on the long term of the plan in case anything ever changes environmentally, just with the way that my income is. It was more feasible to do it now,
Mm-hmm.
and so I prefer to go the long term.
Yeah. Okay. Well, wrapping up our solar installation today, just talking a bit about, again, transition to lithium batteries with a pro installer, Jason Andrade from West Coast Sustainables. Thanks, Jason.
Thank you.